Chapter 2 Flash CS6 Advanced Features. Symbol. In addition to the text and shapes, your movies can include symbols. You can create new symbols or convert existing objects such as text or shapes. You can easily change attributes such as brightness, tint, and alpha transparency, the opacity of the object. Symbols are stored in the library for the current document. To use a symbol in your movie, drag in an instance of the symbol from the library panel to the stage. When the dialog box appears, enter a name for your new symbol. Select its behavior. Let us see which behavior is used for what purpose. A graphic symbol is used for creating a static image. You can use a graphic symbol multiple times on your stage. When you create a motion tween, it automatically converts the object you are tweening into a graphic symbol. A button symbol is used to create interactive buttons that can have rollover effects and animation applied to them. Buttons are used to trigger events by the user. A movie clip is used to create a reusable piece of animation. Movie clips have their own timeline that is independent of the main timeline. Movie clips can be used to create animated buttons. To convert a shape into a symbol. The steps to convert a shape into a symbol are: draw a circle using Oval tool. Use the Selection tool and select the circle. Select Modify, go to Convert to Symbol on the menu bar. The Convert to Symbol dialog box opens. Name the symbol Circle Graphic. Select Graphic as the option and click on OK button. A blue outline and small circle in the middle of the circle appears, and it indicates that the shape is converted into a symbol. The Property Inspector shows that it is an instance of the circle graphic symbol. The actual symbol is stored in the memory. Library. All symbols used in Flash movie are stored in the library, from where you can drag and drop the new instances of symbols into your movie. When a symbol is used outside the library, it is called an instance. The instance refers to the symbol. There is no limit to how many instances that can be created from a symbol. When the symbol is edited, all the instances referring to the symbol will change accordingly. The steps to create a symbol are: insert a new Flash document from File menu, go to New. Click on Insert menu, go to New Symbol. The Create New Symbol dialog box appears. Type Circle in Name, text box, select Graphic option in the Type section and click on OK button. The symbol definition scene appears. Click on Oval tool in the toolbox and draw a circle anywhere in the first frame. A symbol is created on the frame. Sound. Sound is the soul of animation. Flash can import a variety of standard file formats, including AIFF Mac only, WAV window only, and MP3 both platforms. The steps to import a sound are: insert a new layer by clicking on Insert menu, go to Timeline, go to Layer. Click on File menu, go to Import to Library. The Import to Library dialog box appears. Browse the location and find the required sound file. Click on Open button. Note, if your current Flash installation doesn't support required sound formats, then reopen your animation in Flash by selecting ActionScript 2.0 option in Create New section. The sound will be ready to use. You can find it in the Library window menu. Go to Library. Sounds Properties. To set the sound properties, click the frame of the movie. After doing this, the Properties panel takes the following appearance. Let's see the parts of this panel. Sound. In this list box, the imported songs will be displayed. Select the song which is to be added to your movie. In the next item, we will learn about inserting other sound to a movie. Effect. From here, we will be able to add some effects to our sound. For example, the sound passes from the left canal to the right one. Sync. This option allows us to determine at which event or moment our sound will start acting. Repeat. It specifies the number of times the sound is played. To play it indefinitely, calculate the possible time of the movie duration and the time of the sound, and then repeat it as many times as necessary. That is better than to set 99999 times. Tweening. Tween is the short form of in between, which is the process of generating intermediate frames between two images to give the appearance that the first image evolves from the second image. Classic tween. Classic tween is used to create animation between two keyframes. It requires that the object being tweened be converted to a graphic and that the physical parameters of the shape are not changed throughout the process. This is a less memory-intensive method of tweening. While using classic tween in Flash, all that needs to be done is defining two keyframes. Flash fills in the gaps between the two frames. With classic tween, the user is able to animate the following properties: location, scale, rotation, tint, and alpha. The following example will demonstrate how to create an animation of a circle moving from left side of the screen to the right side. The steps to perform a simple classic tween are: select the File menu, go to New. The New Document dialog box opens up. Select Flash document in the Type list box. Click the OK button. A blank Flash file will be created. Select the Insert menu, go to New Symbol. The Create New Symbol dialog box appears. Type Circle in the Name text box. Click the Graphic Option button in the Type section. Click the OK button. The symbol definition scene opens. Using the Oval tool, draw a circle anywhere in the first frame. Click on Scene 1 button on the timeline. Click on Window menu and select Library option. Click and drag the newly created circle symbol from the Library panel to the stage of the first frame in Scene 1. Right-click inside frame 12 and select Insert Keyframe. With the Selection tool, move the circle in frame 12 to the right side on the stage. In the timeline, left-click the frame 1, then hold down the Shift key on keyboard and left-click on frame 12. Frames 1 to 12 will be selected. In the Insert menu, select Classic Tween option. The animation is applied. To play the animation, hold down the Control key while pressing the Enter key on the keyboard. Shape Tween. Shape Tween is used to create a morph effect. Morphing is an animation style that describes one shape turning into another shape. In Shape Tween, the user only needs to define the first and the last frame. Flash fills in the rest of the frames. Shape Tween increases the file size since the Flash library and symbols are not available for this tween type. This following example will demonstrate how to create an animation of a circle changing its shape. The steps to perform a simple shape tween are: select the File menu, go to New. The New Document dialog box opens. Select Flash document in the Type list box.